Hello, everyone. Yeah, hello, everyone. I hope it works. And today we are going to destroy a computer again. And I will share my screen now. Quickly check, does it work or not? And yeah, it's quite strange. I hope it will work. Okay. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen and hopefully it will work. I choose this position. Seems familiar for me. I kind of quickly catch what once I'm going. Okay, this is not the scanning position. The scanning technique is not the best, and because we have short time, I will try to understand this position and explain it to you very quickly because Zoom have limits. Can record only 30 minutes video. Okay, so if I just start in this situation, I would just focus on candidates moves and understand pros and cons in this. Obviously, I want to put my king on c6, rook on b5, b7, b8 to blockade this rook. And possible options to defend this position for the block is, of course, sacrifice the rook for the pawn and shoulder the king and move this pawn. Option 1 for the block is attack from this side. Option 2 for the block to attack from this side. And I don't see another options to attack this pawn because basically it not exists. Only rook can attack only diagonally. Okay, you got me. So I don't want to spend much time. Yeah. So defensive pawn is sacrifice the rook in the best moment, shoulder the king, and move the pawn. Attacking pawn, of course, is precisely don't allow this defensive pawn. Obviously, we want to play something like that, but opponent also understands it because opponent in this situation is computer. It won't make mistakes. And two moves which can make sense here. This one allows this. So, and there is no interference with rook c8, probably. I'm not sure about this. Just quickly try to understand the ideas. And the most natural is king b5, of course, move. Rook b1, king c6, king e4. b7 takes, f5, and it has to be drawn. Yeah, the king is too far, and there is no options. What can I miss? What can I miss? Maybe king b5, rook b1, king c6, and if king e4, f5, rook b5 immediately. Maybe. And then if rook d1, b7, rook d8, what changed? King on c6, yeah. King c7, rook, and rook a5, rook a squeezing. No, squeezing doesn't work. Rook h7, rook a7. But maybe rook a5, rook a8 with king on c6. This has to be winning. Yes. So no this defensive option because b7, rook a5, rook a8, and white winning with king on c6. And I assume only option to sacrifice here. But then king on c6 is a little bit closer. So king b5, king d5. Here we use technical comparison. We simply can keep in mind king on the both squares. b1, king c6, king a4, rook b5. Boom. Yeah, and the idea is, let's say rook c1. What is the new defensive idea? King d7, rook d1. Let's say king d7, blocking the rook. Let's say rook h1, attack from here. b7, rook h7, but now king is closer, king f6 and go from this side and it's winning. Wow, this is nice. But I'm not sure, of course. So, and when you see nice idea, first of all, you need to try to refute it and eliminate it. But this looks pretty nice. Okay, let's check. Now we need to understand why king b5 or king d5. Yeah, why king d5 is not the point why king b5, or why king b5 is not the point why king b5. Maybe rook d1, king c6, rook d8, go from this side. And if b7, king e4, king c7. King c7 doesn't work, it's already a draw here, it's check and sacrifice. I assume rook d1, rook d8 has to be draw. So king b5 is more natural, and because we have limited time, so I probably will execute. Now king c6 is only move, am I right? Yeah, we need to go to e7 square. I mean, otherwise I don't see how we can stop this pawn. King c6, f5. Here now rook b5, rook c1, king d7, rook d1, king e7, rook e1, and king f7. Rook h1, b7, rook h8, b8 has to be winning because king is behind the pawn, quicker to stop it. What am I missing? What is defensive trick for my opponent? Rook b5. Maybe immediately go to e1, h1, g1, t1, b7, rook h8, rook e5 should be winning, yeah? Rook b8, aye. This one I can miss, yeah. This one I can miss. So rook b5, let's say rook h1. How am I going to win? Can I attack and next weakness like king d6, king d6? Another weakness. b7, I don't like rook h8, I don't see clear win. Rook a5, rook b8. Rooks are tricky. Can I win after rook b5, rook h1 with king d6, rook h6? I need to calculate. Awesome. This is tricky, but do I have another way? Like rook b5, do I have? Can I? b7, rook takes b7, right? And king e4, just shorter it. It's simply draw, no way. So rook b5 is only move. Rook c1, yeah, I wasn't sure about rook h1, but after rook c1, we have to win. Or not, rook d1, king e7, rook e1. No, rook d1, king e7, rook h1 is the same idea. b7. But now it's no problem, king is close. Yeah, king d7. Oops. What did I miss here? King e6 closer, but rook d8. What did I miss? Seems logical, seems beautiful, but that's how we usually lose to the computer, because obviously it's we have attachment to good ideas. We have attachments to good ideas. King e7. Did I check rook h1? Yes. King e7. Which defensive trick did I miss? Rook e1, king f7. Rook h1. b7, rook h8, b8. I feel it's winning. King is very close. Yeah, I missed something. And I don't see another logical way to continue here. King e6. I mean, I saw this idea, attacking second weakness. I mean, yeah, because of attachment to king e7, I miss idea, which I initially saw. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's sad. Yeah, that's very sad. Attacking second weakness. Yes, one is attacking here, and second is attacking here. It's just obviously very simple win. Yeah. And king e7. Why is it not working? King e7. What did I miss? Just quickly check. Rook h1, e7, rook h8, and it's still draw. Wow. I felt like with the king behind the pawn, it has to be in a3. Yeah. It has to be win, but not. It's still draw. Even I'm close to that. Even I'm close, but it's, yeah, I just didn't check it. I just relied on my feelings, and it didn't work. And here's knight. Yeah. Yeah, knight. I'm off to the knight. Okay, nice. What else? So what is the key ideas? Yeah, attacking second weakness. Like one, we attack here, and second, obviously, just king e6. Like, because I had strong attachment to the idea with to this maneuver of the king, I missed obvious move king e6. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you can enjoy, and subscribe to my channel to see more, or if you will see this video during the course, so yeah, you can learn much more tricks. And what should I what do I want you to do? I want you to train it, not just watch these videos. Okay. Try to play more training like games, solve more puzzles. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. Stop share.